So the inspiration behind the album started about a year ago. I didn't have a title. I didn't know what work I was gonna put on the album, or what kind of album it would be. We thought it was gonna be just another jazz album, and then getting the opportunity to record in, I mean, a $2 million Lucky Man studio is, I mean, it's just wild.
Started off great. We knew we were going to have a great jazz record from the beginning. There's no way not to have a great jazz record with Darren and the supporting cast he brought in with him. Kenny Banks Jr., one of the best in the country, literally. Uh, uh, Larry Wilson, Miguel Alvarado, and Rob Linton. And so we started out with a great jazz quintet record, some amazing playing on it. And over time, we started adding little bits and pieces. What if we do this? What if we add a little bit of this? Maybe some effect on the trumpet. And suddenly it just started, growing wings and evolving. What I think was a rather extra creative day, the what if element showed up, and I got included in the what if, and the idea of, kind of connecting with Darren's dream of having some, what would strings do, what strings could do. We just kind of started vibing on maybe even with just the idea, maybe here, maybe with that rhythm or that, it just kind of, even kind of physically, just feeling what the strings could maybe do. And then the idea was, well, okay, go try it.